And let me put my mask on before people start side-eyeing me. So hopefully you guys can hear me through my mask. Can you hear me? Who's going to bed? Somebody tell me no, please. Yeah, so for today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be taking you guys on the road with me, okay? And I go on the road with me today. So what am I gonna be doing today on the road? So I'm going to the dermatologist, you guys. I'm gonna go get these skin tags on my face removed. I think the correct name for it is DPN. Let me look on my phone. I can't pronounce it. It's dermatosis papulosa nigra. That's the correct name for it. So I have them on my face. I have had them for, you know, since forever, and I don't like them. So I'm getting them removed, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna take you guys with me so you can see the process. I find that, you know, it's very common in black people. This is a this scar right here. It's from the hot comb, so don't mind that. That's not what I'm gonna remove. I'm gonna be remove these skin tags. I don't know if you guys can see them, but yeah, those are what I'm gonna remove. I have them all over my face and I want them gone. I don't like them. My mom has them, my sister has them, my brother, like my dad, we all have them. It's a family thing, but guess what? I don't like it, so I'm gonna remove it, okay? So that's what I'll be doing on the road today. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let me know if you guys have these on your face and if you like them. And I don't know, have you guys ever had these removed from your face like I did? So how it works, like you go in for your first appointment, they do like a test to see how your skin would react to the procedure, and then you go in for your second appointment and then you get everything else removed. So I already went in for my first appointment and they did like a test sample or whatever, and I did not have a reaction. Like my skin was fine, nothing happened. So I'm going in today and I'm gonna get everything else, all the other ones on my face removed. Hopefully we can get it all done today because I want them gone, okay? And I'm gonna take you guys on that journey with me and I'll show you guys the results as well. So that's that with that. And also, you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe and join the family. It is free, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new content, okay? And as I said before, it's my first vlog, so just bear with me, you guys. Hopefully I'm holding the camera properly and all that fun stuff. So before I head off to the dermatologist, I'm gonna make a stop. Let's go to Starbucks, okay?
Welcome to Starbucks. How's it going?
So guys, reached my appointment. Would the name of my name if I wasn't late? I am late, okay? So I'm just gonna run in and get started because they already started calling off my phone. Where are you? Where are you? My appointment was at 3:20 and it's now 3:24. Why didn't they just make my appointment for 3:30 but 3:20? Anyways, I'm going in right now, so hopefully they allow me to vlog. I'll keep you guys posted, okay? So put on my mask and saddle up. Like, I'm really excited, and I can't hear me, but I'm really excited to get this done because this is something that I wanted to do for a very, very, very long time. So let's go. So you guys, I am here and I'm gonna get my procedure started, and let's go. Let's go. I'm excited. It hurts, but I'm excited. Okay, you guys, I'm done. Oh my god, my face is on fire. My face is on fire. Okay. Wow. I don't think I can go anywhere with my face looking like this, but this is what it looks like right now. So I'll keep you guys posted with the healing process. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, so I just finished hold on, let me fix the lighting on this thing. Okay, so I just finished my procedure. Did it hurt? Yes, it hurts. Okay, it really hurt. Like, it's painful. Like, my face is on fire right now, but I'm happy because honestly, I'm glad I get them here off of my face. Like, I'm just happy that them come off of my face. So, you know, I'll keep you guys posted with the results. I think after this, maybe like in 2-3 days, it's gonna start scalping. You know, like when you get a cut, you know, it's gonna start scalping and then they're gonna fall off. But unfortunately, I have to go back in for another appointment because I have so much. They removed as much today, but I have to go in to get them to remove more or something of that sort. But I have to go back in for another follow-up appointment. But like parts of my face, it's swollen, as you know. You see those red dots there, like, whoa. I can't go nowhere with my face there, so no sir. But yeah, this is it, guys. I am gonna keep you guys posted with this, you know. But as I said before, like, I'm really excited. So anyways, where am I going now? Where else I want Carol now with me? I'm going to the grocery store. I can't drive with the camera in my hand. I bought a thing to put on the car to hold the camera while I'm driving, but unfortunately it doesn't work. It don't work on my car. I don't know, this thing. I bought it on Amazon, so I have to take it back because I have to return it because it's I don't know, it's just not working for me. It don't fit my car, so I'm gonna have to carry it back. So if you guys know of any good car, what they call it, holder for the camera or whatever, let me know in the comment section below because I need one. The camera that I'm using, it's the Canon M50. So if you don't know of any one of those car holder thing that hold the camera for the M150 for the Canon M50, let me know in the comment section below because I need to get one. So you know, when I drive, I can talk to you while I'm driving, right? But I can't do that right now because I'm holding the camera in my hand. Okay, so when I get to Walmart, we will link up again, right, people? All right, just got to the grocery store, so I am gonna take you guys with me to grab some groceries. Okay, hold on, let me get my mask because these days, you know, oh my goodness, the worst thing is like the mask with the earring. Like, it just so irritating. Jesus, it's like you have to pick a struggle. It's either you're gonna wear a mask or earring. Like, you just can't do both. It's so annoying. My face looks like shit. My face looks like shit because it's still swollen from my procedure. What the hell? Hold on. Yeah, so my face is still swollen from my procedure and it's still, like, you know, you can see all the stuff on my face. But guess what? We're gonna work with it today. We're going to work with it, right? So we're going to grab some groceries. And they can't hear me. We're going to grab some groceries. We're going to grab some groceries. Just making sure that I have my list because you see, if I don't have my list, I'm not going to remember what I'm supposed to buy, because I don't remember stuff anymore. If I don't have my grocery list, I won't remember what I'm supposed to buy. So grocery list is very important, people. So let's go grab groceries. Okay, let's go grab some groceries. Let's go grab some food. And let me put my mask on before people start side-eyeing me. So hopefully you guys can hear me through my mask. Can you hear me? Move up so you can't hear me. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh shit, I'm forgetting my wallet. So how am I gonna buy groceries without my wallet? Tell me now. Oh, I'm gonna buy groceries without my wallet. Why am I would I forget my wallet? What an embarrassment. So make we go. Make we go. Make we go. Make we go. Yeah. Go people, let's go. Alright, make we rock and come in, no? We are rock and come in, we are rock and come in. The good thing is nobody can really see my face, so that's good. Are these clean? Yeah. They're clean? Okay, thanks. So what we're gonna get now? We're gonna start off with some peppers. Right? Oh, them pepper ear rotten, so okay. Like what is this? Okay. Who's going to buy this? Somebody tell me now, please. Oh, like that. So annoying. Okay, so I'm find a batch that looks almost good-ish. It's not as rotten as the other ones, but let me grab my list. So guys, leaving the grocery store. It's pretty dark, so I'm not sure if you guys can see me, but I didn't get much stuff because I don't normally, actually the first time that I've been to this grocery store, and when I just didn't get much stuff because I didn't know where most of the stuff were, and I was just getting frustrated. Yeah, I prefer, like, I have my grocery store that I go to, and I just prefer to go there so, because I know where everything there, you understand? But when you go to a next grocery store that you don't normally go to, you don't know where the things are, and then you have to be walking up and down in circles, you know, to find what you're looking for, and it's really annoying. So I never get a lot of the stuff that I wanted, but it's all right. It's all good. Another day we can do some more grocery and stuff. So really, this is just a day in my life, I should say. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. You know, like I said, it's my very first vlog. You know, I'm not catch it yet for all the camera, so you understand. You know, the camera probably I move up and down all over the place, and you guys, you know what I mean. So wow, it's dark inside here. Hold on a second there. Hold on. We could get some light, no? Anyways, guys, it's dark inside here. You guys can't see me. Let me go back. Anyways, guys, so this ends the vlog for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is just, you know, just a typical day, one of the day them in my life, and so you know, too excited today, but can go on, you know. My face is still on fire. It's a little bit dark, so you can't really see me. Let me see if I can adjust the light, the brightness. Okay, that's better. So yeah, my face is still on fire, but thank God I'm wearing a mask. Like, we have to wear a mask now, so nobody can really see my face and know, say my face don't really stay good. But yeah, that's it for now, you guys. So hopefully we can do some more vlogs together. So my first vlog, so hope you guys liked it. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. So see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching.